Today we're making fried Oreos, air fryer versus fryer. We're using 1 cup of milk, 1.5 cup of flour, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and Oreos. So right here I'm putting the flour, and then I'm going to put the baking powder, the sugar, and then I'm going to put a dash of salt, 1 egg, and the milk. Once it's all together, we're going to go ahead and mix it. Right here I only added 1 cup of flour, but in the end I added a half a cup more just so I can have it more fluffier. Para las personas que quieren esto en español, en la caja de descripciones dejaré todos los ingredientes en español. So right here we're just gonna mix it until it's all done. Once it's all done, you're gonna be putting your Oreos in. So what I did is I put some Oreos in the air fryer, and the other ones I did fried. Here you could see we can make mistakes, but we can fix it all the time. So for this one I started putting it in the basket for the air fryer. I used about 4 Oreos for the air fryer and the rest of the Oreos for the fryer. So right here I'm putting it in the air fryer, and I put it for 400 degrees for 5 minutes, but you actually want it for 10 minutes because mine wasn't really cooking. So I put it for 10 minutes and it cooked all the way. Here I'm putting it in the fryer. You have to make sure that the oil is ready, and you can just test your oil by just putting a dash of the batter inside and see if it starts bubbling. So as you can see, I put 4 in the fryer. Once they're all done and brown on the other side, you have to flip them, and then just have it golden brown, or however you feel like that you want it. But I left it in there for a couple of minutes until they were golden brown. And once I flipped them, I left them also for a couple of minutes, and they were ready. We did a taste test for these, and we liked the fryer more than the air fryer. Thank you. See you next time.